I want to share with you a quick and easy and reusable method for keeping your chicks safe when you're trying to integrate them to an existing flock. Use this method and you don't have to worry about your chicks being bullied or maimed or killed. I mean, it's really genius. Chicks have different needs as they grow. When they first come home, they just need a safe place with a heat source. And in my case, I kept them in our primary bathroom in a special container I made in our whirlpool tub. And they grow so fast. Pretty soon they outgrew that, and then they were in the primary bedroom in a pop-up brooder by Incubator Warehouse. And I've got a video on it if you'd like to see it. Okay, now my chicks are really at the teenage stage. They have their full feathers, so they can go outside. We don't have to worry about temps. And that is great if these are the only chicks you have. But if you have existing hens, you have to figure out how can you integrate these new chicks into your flock. And these girls, we call them the aunties, not too happy about the new ones. Tried putting them in without protecting them, and for a couple of hours it was fine, and then they began to bully them. Well, I will have none of that. So I came up with this solution. I'm a backyard chicken keeper. You know, I don't live on a farm, so we have limited area. And when I first got chickens many moons ago, we would allow them to free range while I was in the garden, and I loved it. They'd come running out to see me. But unfortunately, just like that, a family of foxes came and just wiped out our flock. So I invested the money and had a very sturdy chicken run built to attach to our actual coop. It's completely predator proof. We built it on a concrete slab that used to be part of a dog run, and instead of using chicken wire, I have used very sturdy hardware cloth. So I have what I consider a predator-proof chicken run and coop. So all great and good, but I only have the one run and the one coop. So how do I integrate these teenagers into my chicken run and coop? Well, I kind of had a brainstorm moment. That's right, the magic mesh. You've seen it as seen on TV, right? It's a pretty sturdy mesh, and this one is a double door, so it actually has a magnetic enclosure where you can go in and out. It's pretty neat. This comes with self-adhesive Velcro strips and hook and loop strips and wood tacks. So here's the screen. Put it up over PVC pipe. First I used the adhesive strips that came with it, but that didn't last long, so now we have it safety pinned to the PVC, and the PVC pipe is just resting on the sides there. And then down at the very bottom, we have it weighted with some heavier pipes and wood just to make sure that these ladies don't find a way to get in. So it came with these little pins, and we just use that to put it in the wood here and here, you know, all the way down. And just use a little hammer, and these have worked out great. And it seems to be working real well. So this comes apart real easy, and then it just snaps back together. But just to be safe, I'm safety pinning it. So here's the little ones. They always are in a little group. But now they got elevated water, so it stays clean. They have their food dish, and they are safe from what I call the two aunties. Now the size I bought was 75-inch by 83-inch, and it is working just great. But it comes in other sizes, so you could find the right size to fit your run or your coop. So I hope you like my MacGyver type solution to my problem. It is working just great, and the aunties are getting used to seeing these chicks, and they will be for another couple of months before the teenagers are full size, and then they can fight their own battles for pecking order. So I hope we'll end up with a happy blended family. And I hope you do too if you have to integrate chicks to your existing flock. If you want other tips on how to raise backyard chickens, check out this playlist.